in there?
No, I'm trying to get some grass. What are you doing there?
No.
I like those rollers.
What?
I like your rollers.
Well,
Now drop it. Get up a little bit, Deborah.
that's right.
Don't put that in your mouth. Oh. Didn't be on this guy.
Allie knows.
I think
You
that's
could hop over there, Ellen.
what is it, a laptop?
Yep.
Ooh.
It's a computer. A laptop computer.
Oh, pretty.
That's cool.
No, I'm not going to use it. Oh, that is pretty. Thank you.
Hold it up and look at the camera.
With my roller?
Yeah, well,
No,
you're supposed to leave them on.
I know you're going to send it to Linda, right?
Okay,
That
now,
is really pretty. But
what do you say?
Thank you.
To
Thank you, Linda, John, Debbie, Bobby. I'm trying to think names. That is pretty. Now who's going to teach me?
Ooh, cute.
Huh? And what's that stuff over there?
I think that's it.
There was something there, yeah.
Stuff that goes inside.
I'm trying to figure it out.
You can take a computer class too, basic computer class.
Yeah, I would have to now. I would have to, yeah. Can I get, this is something like my friend has Sylvia.
Mm-hmm.
Could I get things like that on this? What she does?
Yep.
I could?